Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Argentine Football Association fan token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the Argentine Football Association fan token ARG is the official blockchain based membership token for Argentina's national football team, designed to deepen for engagement through voting rights, exclusive rewards and community interaction. Official Fan Engagement Token ARG is the licensed digital assets of the Argentine Football Association AFA, created to bring supporters closer to the team. Governance and reward utility. Holders can vote on team related decisions and earn prizes like match tickets and VIP experiences. Part of the Spotify ecosystem, it operates on the Chile's blockchain via Sosco.com platform, connecting fan loyalty to on-chain activity. ARG project institution rating is 3.7. ARG token total supply is 20 million and circulating supply is around 18.35 million. ARG token is listed on OKX, Bitget and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.